Sanicondens Clim Mini S pump. This is the pump itself. Discharge tubing provided with the system. The flow switch mechanism. This is the power cable provided with the system. Allows you to hook up to 220 to 240 voltage. And you can hook up an audible alarm. This is the tubing that will go under your AC splitter. Mounting hardware for the flow switch mechanism. This is the vacuum air release valve. The mounting hardware. This is going to be the discharge tubing that goes between the flow switch and the motor. And the installation manual. And this is the flow switch mechanism device. This needs to be perfectly leveled in order for it to work properly. We provide you with the holder so you can mount it to the bottom. This is the tubing that will go underneath your AC split. And then you have this discharge tubing that will go between the flow switch mechanism and the pump itself. You want to make sure you go ahead and plug in the flow switch to the pump. We provide you with the power cable. Allows you to hook it up to 220 to 240 voltage, and also an audible alarm. And then we have the discharge tubing that we provide for the system. You could also cut it to meet the appropriate length of the application. As you can see in the bottom of the pump, it'll tell you where the discharge is at.